Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing and short review. Today in this video, I am going to unboxing Vivo X200. This is Indian variant, so let's unboxing. At first open the box, we get our smartphone. Now let's talk about the box content. You can get one soft case, one SIM ejector tool, some paper and warranty card, one USB Type-C cable and 90-watt adapter. Vivo X200 come with the excellent design, and this is natural grey color and it look like too much premium in the hand. Now talk about the build quality. The smartphone front and back built with Gorilla Glass and aluminum frame. The smartphone featuring 6.67-inch 1B color AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus supported, and the display resolution is 1.5K. The phone also comes with 4500 nits of peak brightness, and security wise the smartphone also comes with under display optical fingerprint scanner, and the phone also offers IP69 and stereo speaker. Performance wise the smartphone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage with UFS 4.0, and the software wise the smartphone running Fantas OS 15 with Android 15, and the phone offers 4 major Android updates. Moving to the camera, the smartphone comes with a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 50MP ultra-wide, and the front is come with a 32MP selfie camera. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video. The smartphone powered by 5800 mAh battery with 90-watt adapter. Okay, that pretty much for our today unboxing and short review. Very soon this smartphone long time review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon.